So this is a reminder of how we set everything up for the practice project. Once you've prepared your assets and resampled them so that they're at 300 dpi, we want to start placing all of your assets into Photoshop and putting your design together. So this is an example with the sample assignment, obviously not the live coursework task. You create some of your images. Some of them are free to use, some of them might be copyright protected. You would download them into your original images folder, and then you'd open them and you'd resample them to 300 dpi, as we've seen already in a different video, so that they are suitable for high quality printing. You should only ever put images into Photoshop when they've been resampled and saved and entered into your assets table. Once you've done that, actually creating your image is quite nice and fast. So if we have a look at the sample task here, it tells us what you're expected to make. So read it very carefully. Make a new image that's exactly the right size. So here it's 180 millimeters wide. So that's 360 for front and back, plus a little spine of 10 millimeters. We want it for print quality, 300 dpi. Then let's put some layout guides for the spine. Control R to toggle the rulers. Alt and drag down and hold down Shift to lock it, and I want it exactly 180 millimeters here. Alt and Shift and drag at 190. There we go. Then to place your images, File and Place, we find our edited, resampled, high quality 300 dpi images, and we choose where it go. So I'm going to pop this on the front cover. And I'm going to place my logo on there as well. File and Place, my visual identity, high quality. You can be creative about where they go. And then I'm recommending that you label all of your layers and group all of your layers to organize them. And it works better if you use the keyboard shortcut, because when you create a group, Control G will automatically add the selected layers into that group. Why is that useful? So that we can mask it. How do we mask it? We use the marquee tool, keyboard shortcut M, to select the part of the image that you want to mask, and then just apply a mask to it. Why is that useful? Because we can do non-destructive editing, as in we can move things off the edge of that mask, but we don't see them, and the same for all of the layers on there. So combine text, combine pictures, combine shapes, combine vector and bitmap images to create a well-structured, well-organized travel guide, in this instance, that very closely fulfills all of the requirements of the brief.